Today I'm going to show you rainbow making things at home. First, put the lights up there. Then you have to put a glass of water. We already put over here. Now, then I got a paper. Now I'm going to use this here. Could you see a lot of rainbow? Guys, can you see the rainbow? And one over here, and one on the floor. Holding the white paper so that you can see. See? Can you see all the different colors over here? Yeah, that's actually of the sunlight in the water. This is me, Stavya's rainbow. Thank you for watching my videos. Bye-bye.